Hi everyone, today I am going to discuss about Japan. Why I am going to discuss it? Because recently on 18th January 2023, India and Japan started a military drill which is first ever fighter jet military drill between India and Japan. That's why Japan and India was in news. This is Hayakuri Air Base in Japan near Tokyo, near capital of Japan, and this is started. That's why Japan and India was in news. So we will discuss the about the Japan and its adjoining countries, its border, and different physical features of Japan. So let's start. So India and Japan started fighter jet military drill, which is named Veer Guardian. Veer Veer Guardian is the name of that drill which India and Japan started in Hayakui Air Base. So you can see here, this is world map, and you will find here Japan. This is Japan, Sea of Japan and Japan, and it exists eastern coast of Asia. This is Asia, and this is eastern coast of Asia. You will find Japan. Now we are going to discuss another map, actual map of Japan. So this is actual map of Japan. Japan is an island country which exists in eastern Asian coast. Okay, and this island is divided into basically four different island, which is, you can see here, first is Hokkaido Island, Hokkaido, Honshu, Shikoku, and Kyushu. You will find here that Honshu Island is the largest Japan's part. This is largest island in Japan, and after that you will find Hokkaido. Hokkaido is second after Honshu. You will find Hokkaido. Hokkaido is second largest, and after that you will find Kyushu. Kyushu is third, and fourth is Shikoku. Shikoku is fourth. So basically, in four different island, Japan is divided: Hokkaido, Honshu, Shikoku, and Kyushu. And in spite of these four island, it has different features. You can see here that it exists here in southernmost point. You will find East China Sea, and Sea of Okhotsk is in northern side. So Sea of Okhotsk and East China Sea you will find between the Sea of Okhotsk and East China Sea, which exists is Japan. And Sea of Japan, this is East Sea, Sea of Japan, and as I said, this is divided into four different island. The nearest country, nearest boundary, if I will discuss, is that you will find the maritime border, which it shares its maritime border with, you will see here in southern point, Philippines, and here you will find a Mariana Island, which is under the authority of USA. In northern part, Russia and North Korea and South Korea you will find, and after South Korea you will find here uh, Chinese territory. So basically this exists between Sea of Okhotsk and East China Sea, and it's a maritime, it shares its maritime border with Russia, China, North Korea, South Korea, Philippines, and here you will find Sea of Mariana, or Mariana Island, which is under USA. So this was a maritime border and different boundary around Japan. Now I am going to discuss the different physical feature of Japan. Japan's highest mountain is Mount Fuji. Mount Fuji is the highest mountain in Japan. You can see here around its capital, which is Tokyo. Mount Fuji is there, and its longest river is Shinano River. This is Shinano River, its longest river. Shinano River is the longest, and Mount Fuji is the highest mountain. Shinano River is the longest river in Japan. And one of the important thing which I want to discuss here is that you know that Hiroshima, which is very important territory, and Nagasaki, where in 6 to 9 August 1945 bombardment happened there in Nagasaki and Hiroshima, and that bomb named was Little Boy Little Boy and Fat Man. Two bomb was dropped in Hiroshima and Nagasaki. So this was some historical fact, and physical features like Mount Fuji and Shinano River is longest river, and it is basically divided into Hokkaido, Honshu, Shikoku, and Kyushu. So this was all about the Japan and its adjoining maritime boundary. Another important thing which I want to tell you is that Japan basically exists in ring of fire. Japan is exist basically on circum-Pacific, which is also called as ring of fire. What is this? This is ring of fire is volcano dominated territory. This is a volcano dominated territory where mostly you will find volcano eruption happened. Where this ring of fire exists, you can see here this part of world map. You can see here this part and this part. This is flat map. Okay, if you will take 3D map, you will find that these both area tap each other. Okay, these both area tap each other like this. Okay, this becomes ring of fire, and Japan exists here. Okay, so Japan is exist on ring of fire. That means it is also volcanically active area. That's why we have we always seen various frequent earthquake there and volcanic activity is there. That's why Japan always face these kind of disaster. So this was all about Japan. If I will conclude it within a few seconds, this will be Japan is an island which is Asia's eastern part of eastern. It exists in eastern part of Asian continent, and Russia, China, North Korea, South Korea, and Taiwan you will find here, Philippines, and Mariana Island of USA. This shares its maritime boundary with Japan, and its island is divided into four basically: Hokkaido, Honshu, Shikoku, and Kyushu. And Mount Fuji is highest mountain. Shinano River is longest river in Japan, and Hiroshima exists in Shukaku, and Nagasaki in Kyushu. Hiroshima exists in Shukaku, and Nagasaki exists in Kyushu. So this was all about Japan. You will find one another thing here. This part of Japan, which is under the authority of basically with Russia. Both Japan and Russia claim here that this is their territory. So this is basically disputed territory between Russia and Japan. So this was all about Japan. And if in international level, if we will discuss the Japanese Quads member. That's why we say sometime Japan and India both are Quad member, and they are doing military drill. So other Quad member is US and Australia in spite of Japan and India. So this was all about Japan and its boundary.